Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can create a conversion campaign inside the Reddit ads account. So once we log into the account, we can start creating a new campaign. And this time we're going to switch over to Advanced Create. So in Advanced Create, we can create this campaign. So this is a conversion campaign now we are going to build up. Now, as you can see the objective, so we can select conversions. Now, in case of conversions campaign, an important step which we need to perform here is to set up the conversion tracking as well. So that has to be taken care of also. Okay, so a best advice would be to set up the conversion tracking first and then building out the campaign. So now here we can start filling up all the other details like the payment method, and we can give a campaign spend limit as well. Then you can fill up all the other details also. You can give your audience targeting. So keywords based targeting, if you want to do, okay, all that is possible over here. So you will get some keyword suggestions as well around the same. In this particular manner. Then you can choose community audiences as well. So Reddit has created various audiences based on the kind of communities which are created, are built on this platform. So you can choose, let's say, related to digital marketing. You can choose in this particular manner. Then we can do custom audiences as well. We can add our own audiences to this campaign. We can do our demographics targeting. Plus, you can do device level targeting, gender targeting. If you want to, let's say, target only male, we can do that. Devices also, let's say we just want to do iOS and Android, we can do that. Then placements you can select as well. So auto placements is mostly recommended because there Reddit is checking and targeting specific placements automatically. You can now give the budget for the campaign and decide the start date, end date of the campaign. Lastly, we can choose our bidding and optimization. So here again, ideally, we should be choosing our conversion goal, what you want to set up. Okay, so when you set up your conversion tracking, that is where you decide what will be your optimal conversion goal. And that you can select from here, whether that will be purchase or a lead or a sign up, you can select from here. For now, we are just choosing clicks. And then you choose your bidding strategy. So in this case, we are choosing lowest cost, which is primarily where it is going to get as many conversions as possible within the budget with the lowest cost, keeping the ad spend as minimum as possible. So with these, all the settings, we can move to the third level, which is the ad creation part. This is where you can create the ad. You can choose your creative, which can be an image ad or a video ad or a carousel ad. Carousel ads are where you can have multiple images coming one after the other. So let's say we're creating an image ad. You can upload your image right here. And then give your destination URL, the landing page of your business, where you want to bring the traffic to. You can also provide a call to action. Okay, so what action you want people to take. So let's say I want them to sign up. So this is how the ad is going to look like on a card view. If you see, compact and on conversation. Once the ad is built out, now you can just review the campaign and check everything is fine or not. If everything looks fine, then we can publish the campaign. Publishing the campaign means this campaign will go for a checking by Reddit. And once the ads are approved by them, then the campaign can go live. You can see here, this is the campaign which we have now created. I hope this makes sense. You're able to understand how we can create a conversion campaign as well on the Reddit Ads platform.